14. Head over to the secret spot. And it doesn't look like anybody's parked there. That's great. Well, we're here in Smyrna for the air show. Thunderbirds. Got here about 12 o'clock. This is my situation. I'll check it out. But this is kind of, I don't want to say a secret place, but a place out of the way that's right next to the airport. The airport's literally on the other side of that tree line in this building. So you'll miss some of the really low stuff, but you'll get everything else as far as the air show. Trying to get some shade. It is about 85 degrees out. I am on a public street. Surely I'll be okay with my awning out. It is a car show. It is an air show. That's what we're looking at. Fridge is cold. Got drinks in the fridge and a sandwich for later. Excited about the show. It's been a long time since I did a show here, the Thunderbirds. Of course, the Blue Angels come here too. And unfortunately, they had an accident. One of the Blue Angels had an accident here. And they have a memorial for that. I'll show you that. But I don't know when the Blue Angels are coming back, but I am looking forward to the Thunderbirds out of Vegas. So let's check it out. Okay, well that was it. Thunderbirds 2021, that was cool. I enjoyed that. I still like Blue Angels a little bit better, but that was cool. And it was free. So, hope you guys liked it. Thanks for tagging along. We'll catch y'all later. Bye.